Are you trying to enable dark mode on your Signal private messenger? If you are, then you have come to the right video, because I'm exactly going to show you the quick process of enabling dark mode on your Signal app. Now before I move on to the video, if you are new here, consider subscribing and also hit that notification bell so you get notified for more future videos. With that said, let's get right in. Open up your Signal app. Once you open up the Signal app, you can just tap on your profile icon or your profile picture on the top left. From here, the settings tab will open up, and right below this section, you'll see an option of appearance. Tap on the appearance option, and inside of here, you'll see theme, chat color, message font, size, and language. To enable dark mode, just need to tap on the theme option. Now by default, this would be selected to system default, which means the color or the mode that you have enabled on your phone will also be enabled for Signal. So if your phone is set to dark theme, this Signal app will also be set to dark theme if you select the system default. If your phone is not enabled on dark theme, the other thing that you can do is tap on the dark option, and your Signal private messenger will also be changed to a dark mode. So there are two ways that you can do it. If your phone is set to dark mode, then you can also tap on the system default. If your phone is not set to dark mode, then you can just select the dark mode option, which is the third option. And yeah, that's how easily you can enable dark mode on your Signal private messenger. If you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorials just like this. And in order to not miss videos, make sure to turn on the notifications. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.